Alright, I'm Dawn. I'm from Maple Ridge, BC, and I'm reviewing the Type A pull-out drawer. So I like the idea of it. However, once you actually put some weight in it, it doesn't slide that well. It was difficult to put together. It came semi-assembled, which made screwing into the cabinet even more difficult. I lost a good chunk of my thumb trying to put this on. And the instructions were pretty much non-existent. So thanks for sending it to me, but I definitely wouldn't pay for it. I would not recommend the Type A pull-out drawer to my friends and family. I would recommend that the manufacturers go back and review the design of the product and create some instructions so that it's more usable. It's a good idea, but in its current state, it's not that great.